Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to crochet straps for Mochila Wayuu bags. If you would like to get full patterns for these beautiful bags, you will find them on my platform Crochet All the Time, a marketplace where you can both buy and sell crochet patterns. Method 1. Flat tapestry crochet across the strap. Let's call this one flat. Start with a chain of 7 and work 7 single crochets. Then simply follow the pattern. In my example, I'm making a diamond motif in a contrasting color. Remember, before changing colors, always finish the last 2 loops of your single crochet in the new color. Carry your unused yarn neatly on top so it's hidden. Then place them wrong sides together and join with a single crochet along the edges. Done. Strap the double layer strap. You will method 2. Round tapestry crochet along the strap. Let's call this one long. Here you will start with a super long chain about 200 or 240 centimeters. Join it in a round and then crochet following the chart. Depending on your design, you can repeat the pattern 12 or 24 times. If you want the design on both the inside and outside of the strap, work the motif all around. If you want it only on the outside, then crochet half the round with the motif and half in the background color. Again, remember the golden rule of tapestry crochet. Change colors on the last 2 loops and carry unused yarn neatly. In this method, you always work your single crochets into the back loop only, which gives the strap its beautiful rich texture. At the end, fold in half and join the edges with single crochet. And voila! You have got a beautiful double-sided strap. Method 3. Flat crochet with back loop return rows. We will call this one rigid. This method makes a stiffer strap because you are actually creating both layers as you go. Start with 7 chains, work single crochet across and back, always into the back loops. Then in every row, pick up the back loop of the stitch and the ridge from the row below. This creates a nice firm texture. Pick up the back loop of the stitch and the ridge from the row below. The trick here is to count carefully because the motif is worked only every second row. The charted design is worked only when the motif is on the back side of your work. On the front rows, you crochet only in the background color. It's a bit slower, but the result is a thick, durable strap. Pros and cons. Flat, easy and fast, less yarn used, but the design looks a bit stretched and you need to make 2 straps. Long, crisp and proportional pattern, very sturdy, but it uses more yarn and the rows are long. Rigid, comes out stiffer, done in one go, no joining need, but it's slower and the pattern edges are less sharp. My favorites for patterned straps, definitely the long method. I usually go for about 5 rows with 280 to 300 single crochets. The plain straps, the rigid method, because it gives a really nice structure. I'd only use flat for stripes or wider straps. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What method do you like best? Write in the comments, flat, long or rigid. And don't forget, on crochetallthetime.com you will find patterns for Mochila Wayuu bags and home decor. And if you are a designer yourself, you can upload your own patterns and start selling them too.